Hello everybody, this is Mark and today I'm going to get you guys an update on my Stanley. I did something interesting. This is the arm from the closer that I worked on. I wanted to put it on there and see if it works. Well, it actually does. It's actually just a little bit too big, but it actually works. See, if I open it just a little bit, see, I can swing it freely. I open it a little bit, but if I open it more, then watch. You can see it will close the door. So we'll do it again. Yeah, it's rubbing on the floor, so it's having a hard time latching. But strange enough, if I were to if I had this closer still mounted up there, it will latch. This one will latch the door. And I did try to put my Stanley arm on here, but I don't know if you can see it. Let's see if I can get to focus. It doesn't fit. Stanley's arm doesn't fit. Not anyway, it doesn't fit. So that we know the Stanley arm doesn't work. I haven't tried out the Global's arm. I probably will. Maybe either later on today or tomorrow. But let's get back and we'll demonstrate this one again. Do it one more time and that'll be it. You know what? Let's do it one last time. That will be. Actually, we'll open it up so it's farthest point and let it close. Alright, so anyways, that will be